Boy Takas, magandang umaga. Woo! Magang Sabado, hello po. Ngayon po ay nandito ako o kami sa LPU Batangas at ang okasyon po ngayon ay opening ng Prisaa Provincial Meet 2024. Yes! Shout out po sa mga participating schools ng Batangas Province, mga private schools. Mamaya po ay makikita natin sila sa parada. So ako po ay representative ng aming school pero wala po kaming participation. Yan. So ako muna ililibot ng kaunti at nakakahiya naman pero hindi. Yan talaga. So ako muna ay iikot. So yan po ang LPU, ang mga Pirates. Tingnan natin, ikot-ikot tayo. Yan. Puntahan natin ang aming friend, ang LCC. Yo! Ayos na. Pabati muna po sa aming magandang treasurer. Yo! Wow! Shout out po, madam.
Wala pang pera, wala pa.
Ari po ang president ng STF. Oo nga, mga taga-LCC, napakaaga. Hello po, shout out po sa inyo. Hi sir! Hello po! Hello po! Shout out po kayo, bati po kayo. Yo! Magandang umaga. LCC po. Yan. LCC. Oh, shout out po kayo. Bati po, bati. Yan. LCC. Lipa City.
Nabagay Marabilla, Itwell.
Yan. Ari pala. Mga naman, di nagaga. Coach, morning po. Yan. LCC. Nasa likod pala ang mga player pang iba.
Wait po.
Boy, Takas 365. Bago lang. Yan. Sa kabila, kakunti pa ang tao. Ari naman ang, sigurado ito, dilasal ito. Lasal. Tayo. Hello ma'am, good morning po. Hello po. Si Jerex po kasama.
Sa kabila.
Sa kabila? Sa inyo?
Sa...
Table tennis, badminton po. Hello po. Mga
Sino yung...
Green Stallion. Hello po. Yan po. LPU. Sila po ang ating mga drummers. Hello po mga drummers. Shoutout po. Yan. Woo! Ano po ang aking YouTube channel Yan. Boy Takas 369.
Gang!
Yo, si Madam Pe. Yan. Okay, good luck po sa inyo ha.
Thank you po.
Yes. Tunog etniko. Yan po. Hello po, Ma'am Pe. Good morning po. Shoutout po.
Welcome to LPU.
Yo! Yeah! Ganda naman ang inyong preparation. Napakaganda ngayon. Surprise. Oo nga po eh. Sige po. Yan, good morning po mga... Ano ba ang inyong moniker?
Convenience o Sentinel?
Sentinel yun. O mga Sentinel, bati po kayo. Shoutout. Yun. Basketball team. Ayos. May laro ka kayo agad ngayon? Wala. Wala pa. Bukas pa. Kayo pala waiting ano.
Shoutout po, BBC.
Yan, BBC. Okay ay, oo. Oo naman ay. Ayos. St. Bridget, wala pa si Sargare. Ayan, mga Brahmans. Okay guys. Marami. Nagdadatingan pa lang po ang mga representative ng bawat schools. So maya po at 7:30. Sir, sama kayo sir. Yun. Okay. Ikot muna tayo dito mamaya. Lilibot. Golden Gate. Okay.
Tagalan mo.
Alright. Operator. Ayan. Sige tayo, ikot muna tayo dito. Uy, Ariga, kamusta? Pala ang Golden Gate na kasama. Woo! Ikot pa tayo. Tag-SBC. Ayan. LPU. Pirates. Sila po ang host ngayon. Okay. Ayan. Galing naman. Tayo sa likod. Okay guys. So mga kabitakas, ito na po. Halos dumadating na po silang lahat. At mamaya po ay magsisimula na ang parada. At 7:30 according to schedule. Sige po, for the meantime, ito na muna po ang aking content. Mamaya na po uli. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye po guys. Okay mga kabitakas. Ito na po. Mag-o-opening na po ng Rizal Provincial Meet 2024 at LPU Batangas. Okay. So ngayon po sisimula na ang parada mga kabitakas. Tingnan natin ha. Siguro naman ay hindi ito magiging sagabal sa sa content yung camera dahil ito naman ay drummers. Okay. Yan na. Assembly time. Okay. Sige po. Puntahan natin yung mga nagdadrums. Galing. Takas, ito na, paparada na. Sir, congrats in advance ha.
Ay, Diyos ko po. Long time na kasi din ako hindi papakita.
Oo nga eh. Ilang taon din.
Let us meet the participating schools of the Rizal Batangas Provincial League 2024.
Alright. Yan po, magsisimula na po ang parada mga kabitakas. Yeah.
Starting off with Alipagpag College. Alipagpag College.
Malikot, malikot. Doon pala ang daan. Ako. Ayan. Tagtag-college. Ma'am Evelyn, hello po! Yun! Napicturan.
The next participating school is Batangas College of Arts and Sciences,
Yes, Mikas.
headed by its sports director, Mr. Lenny Tumiaka.
Ayan. Ay. dito sa gitna, magkakapasok. Pero dito na ako sa likod para po nakikita ko ang kanilang entrance. Okay. Nice one.
That was Bella San Lepa. Coming in hot. Our next participating school, we have the Golden Gate Colleges.
Yes.
The Golden Gate Colleges is headed by its sports coordinator, Mr. Emil Mejia.
Austin! Okay. Ayan. See? Alright. Ito na. Sunod.
Our next participating school, we have Lipa City Colleges.
Ganda naman. Ba't po kayo? Kaway, kaway, kaway! Kaway! Kaway, kaway, kaway! Kaway po! Shout out, shout out, shout out! Yo, LCC! Oh! LCC! Shout out, shout out! Yan!
Pamilya na natin.
Pamilya! Yun! Ako! Ayan na po! Ayun! Okay. Yan.
Let's welcome our next participating school, we have St. Bridget College, Batangas. St. Bridget College is represented by its sports coordinator, Gary Sirapia.
Master Gary. Ito po, shout out, shout out. Yun. Yun. Nasa Sir Gary? Ay, on the way pala. Yan. Natin.
On to our next participating school, we have SCI College, Banayan. SCI College is headed by Robin Ivan Radima.
Ganda naman ni ma'am.
Reggie Avila, Expert Coordinator.
Last but not the least, the host school. The host school. Ito na. Pangmalakasan. Ayan natin. Ayan natin. Yun, Taktorpe. Go Pirates! Shout out Pirates! Woo! Pirates! Go, Coach! Okay. So, yun na po ang huling school na pumasok. Siyempre, ang host school na LPU. So, patayin ko muna guys ha, para sa pagsisimula. O ayan mga guys, nakapasok ng lahat ang mga players, coaches, and other representatives. So, papunta na po sa opening. Ganda naman, may LED pa. Ito ang ating mga kasamahan. Wala namang copyright kasi drummers naman. Hello po, good morning po. Agad na naman ang inyong preparations. kakatapos lang po ng invocation at saka ng lupang hinirang. Hindi ko na lang po binilag kasi baka tayo copyright. Anyway, very nice solemn mga opening po ng ating invocation at saka ng lupang hinirang.
But before we hear the welcome message of our school kids, we would like to hear and cheer from all the respective participating schools. So when I call your school, please show us your loudest, grandest cheer coming from your school. Let's start with Alcantara College. Can you hear it from Alcantara College of Arts and Sciences? Ikaw pala, mas Alcantara Lima! Wow! Isa pa, pagpili natin yun. Alcantara Lima! Golden Gate Colleges! Lipa City College! St. Bridget College, Batangas! Hey, we have SDN College, Bulacan! University of Batangas, Batangas City! Oh, isa pa! University of Batangas, Batangas City! Woo! Nice one! We have University of Batangas, Lipa! Westmead International School! Oh, iba tayo pa ha. Let us give them a grand Lyceum welcome, LPU Batangas! We all have here the 11 participating schools and we're very, very happy to be welcoming you here in the LPU Batangas. At this point, can you hear the welcome message coming from our King Pirate himself, our Vice President for Institutional Affairs. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm round of applause for Mr. Paolo Laurel.
Nasa likod lang ako, guys. Nasa likod lang ako.
To my fellow senior leaders of the university, Sir Eric Padillo, Dr. Cecil Pring, Dr. Conrad Doto, and also to the birthday girl, Dr. Mabe, Birthday. Happy birthday po kayo, ang ating marketing director.
Happy birthday!
Birthday, ma'am. Birthday po.
And all other university officials present here today. Of course, from the officers of Prisa Batangas and the president of Prisa Batangas, ang aking kaibigan, Sir Peps Quizon. Good morning po. To all the delegates from Alcantara College, Batangas College of Arts and Sciences, Golden Gate College, LCC, SPC, University of Batangas, STI, Calasan de Pao, Westmead. Ladies and gentlemen, mga kaibigan, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. On behalf of our university president, my kuya, Dr. Peter Laurel, I would like to warmly welcome you all to LPU Batangas. Ang araw po na ito ay hindi lamang tungkol sa kompetisyon. Ito rin ay isang pagtitiriwang ng magkakaisa at ng ating pagkakaibigan. As we gather here today, we are now just witnessing the commencement of a series of sporting events. We are embracing the spirit of camaraderie, sportsmanship, and enthusiasm. This gathering represents not only the culmination of all your hard work and training, but also embracing the meaning and the power of friendly competition of sports. To all our young athletes here today, I extend my utmost admiration and respect for your relentless dedication, countless hours of training, and unwavering commitment to the passion of sports. Remember, it is not the outcome of the competition that defines you, but the courage and resilience you exhibit in the face of adversity during the competition. Guys, isang reminder lang po, kayo po ay hindi kalaban at kalaro po kayo. This provincial meet serves as a powerful testament to the identity of the province of Batangas. While Batangas is renowned for our rich culture, it is also a beacon of athleticism, exemplified by all of you young athletes. As we open this year's Prisa, allow me to congratulate all the organizing committee, the Prisa Region 4A, and the Prisa Batangas chapter, which is of course led by Sir Peps Quizon and Dr. Fred Medina. I wish you all the success in all your activities, and may this inspire all of you to dream without limits and pour your hearts out to the competition ahead for Batangas, for yourselves, for the country and your families. Again, mabuhay ang atletang Batanggenyo, mabuhay ang lalawigan ng Batangas, Rodeo et Patria, in the word. Naiyaw sa akin. In the words of my great-grandfather, President Jose P. Laurel, Rodeo et Patria for God and country. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
A few moments later,
Mabuhay sa Batangas! And to officially declare the opening of the Prisa Batangas Provincial Meet, we have the President of Prisa Region 4A, Dr. Fer Rabanal Medina.
President me, as President of Rizal Region 4A Calabarzon, I hereby declare Rizal Batangas Provincial League 2024 finally open. Let the games begin!
Participating in our solidarity run around the world, please join us here, or any representative of your respected schools. Again, the ceremonial tossing of the wall is very important. There's a myth saying that anyone who gets that ball will do well in the competition. Please come forward, guys. Come forward. Please move forward. Let's fill in the gap. Up to you, please come forward.
Long time no see.
Can we take a photo first before we toss that ball? Arsa, sige, bring over natin ang ball na yan. Let's take a photo first. Everyone, raise your hand. Okay. Are we all excited? You